Right, hello guys. Spring is finally here. Today is 21 degrees Celsius and very nice temperature today. And yes, as you can see, my pond is still cloudy. I haven't started setting up my equipment yet. So pond opening day will be coming soon. So for now, it's just the way it is right now. As you can see, more string algae building up around that deicer. By this time, I have turned up my deicer already, so it's no longer operating. I will bring that up and clean up later on, probably at the end of the month or so. I have been kind of busy with a lot of things going on, including car repair and stuff like that. So I'll get back to the pond season soon, hopefully by May, first week of May or so. Okay, there's some clips I want to show you regarding to the night crawlers that I have around my pond at night time. So with that being said, I will have to get my sprinkler back outside here to scare those crawlers away before they start to snack my fish around the pond. So as you can see, yeah, they keep wandering around my pond at nighttime. Those raccoons. So I'm gonna get my sprinkler set up to scare them away soon. As of right now, you can see my water iris is coming back up slowly. And my watercress tube, you could see there. I got some of my watercress coming back up. That's a good thing. Yeah, and some more water iris on this side. Yeah, and yeah, I will clean up that group of string algae right there soon. Let's see the water temperature. Water temperature in the pond is 9.9 Celsius degrees Celsius, and yeah, soon I'm gonna start up this 3-barrel filter system. But before I do that, I'm gonna remove these medias and double check the drain and the air stone down here for the barrel number 3, and of course number 2 and number 1 too. I'm gonna pull out the media and double check my drain. Make sure the screen is still in place, because last year I noticed some of these medias went through the drain and went outside. So I'm gonna do that. Same with this one. Remove them all out and double check the drain before the season. Yeah. So excited to start up my pond again. It wasn't too bad. We made it through the winter, another winter. Yeah, and here's my skimmer, all dirty. Looks like I saw a frog just jumped off. Okay, anyway, so here's my skimmer. Need to clean this up and hook up the pump. And for the waterfalls, I haven't cleaned up that waterfalls for a few years already. I think I should remove that and clean up the bio bars inside this year before I started back up, I guess. So other than that, yeah, the pond will come to life soon again. Well, that's it for an update, guys. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye for now.